Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the language of business. Today we're diving into a filing from NVR Inc. And let me tell you, it's not as exciting as a new home, but it's definitely important for understanding the foundation this company is built on. You might think a credit agreement is just boring paperwork, but it's really about how much money a company can borrow and what it's promising in return. This can make or break a company, especially in the housing market. The big news here is that NVR Inc. has entered into a second amended and restated credit agreement. Think of this as refinancing your mortgage, but on a much larger corporate scale. Basically, they've secured a 5-year, $300 million senior unsecured revolving credit facility. That's a mouthful, but it just means they have a line of credit for $300 million that isn't tied to any specific assets like buildings or equipment. And they get first dibs on paying it back before some other lenders. This agreement is with a bunch of lenders and Bank of America acting as the manager or administrative agent. What's crucial is that this amended credit agreement replaces their previous agreement from February of 2021. It's like trading in your old car for a newer model with better features and a longer warranty. The most obvious is that it extends the maturity date from February 2026 all the way to March 2030. It's important because it means NVR has secured its ability to borrow money for longer, which gives them more financial flexibility. This agreement also has an Accession feature. This doesn't involve musical instruments. It means they can potentially increase the credit line up to $600 million if the lenders agree and certain conditions are met. It's like having extra room on your credit card if you need it. And get this, there's also a $100 million sublimit for letters of credit. Letters of credit are often used in international trade or to guarantee payments. So this gives NVR more options in its business dealings. The amended credit agreement includes financial rules or covenants that NVR has to follow. These are similar to what was in their old agreement, including things like a maximum leverage ratio, which limits how much debt they can have compared to their assets, a minimum liquidity, and a minimum tangible net worth, which is basically what they own minus what they owe. These rules are in place to protect the lenders and make sure NVR is managing its finances responsibly. If you are extra interested, you can check out the entire agreement, which is included as Exhibit 10. Now let's zoom out and put this into context. NVR Inc. is a major home builder operating primarily on the East Coast. The housing market can be very sensitive to interest rates and the overall economy. Securing this credit agreement is a strategic move to ensure they have access to capital or money, even if the market gets tough. It provides a financial cushion, allowing them to continue operations, invest in new projects, and manage their debt effectively. So what's the takeaway here? NVR has strengthened its financial position by securing a new credit agreement that extends their borrowing capacity and gives them more flexibility. This is a good sign for the company as it demonstrates their planning for the long term and managing their finances responsibly. Now, for my opinion, NVR's move to secure this credit agreement seems like a smart play. The housing market can be unpredictable, and having access to capital is crucial for navigating any potential downturns. The extended maturity date and the accordion feature give them a significant advantage. However, it's important to keep an eye on those financial covenants. If the housing market takes a hit, it could become more challenging for NVR to meet those requirements. Overall, this is a positive step for NVR, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. The housing market and the broader economy will continue to play a significant role in their success. This credit agreement means they will be able to play for longer. Thanks for watching. If you found this corporate decoding helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of business.